Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow with Sky. Today we'll talk about how to set up our dev instance in ServiceNow. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to developer.servicenow.com and sign up for this. Once we are signed up for this, we can log in, and on the top corner of this, you can see it's my name right now, but it will be for you. You can request a new instance from this place. I have already my instance, which is in Zandu. I can only upgrade this one, but for you, you can request your new instance. And this will take some time, so you can pause this and come back here. Hopefully, by now you will have your instance. Once you have an instance, I recommend to use it on regular basis. Otherwise, ServiceNow will take back in the pool. So once you have your instance, you can click on Start Building to work on that instance. Or for right now, I'll show one use case where I have forgotten my password and I want to reset my password. So in this place, there is a manage instance password where I can basically view my user ID and password. So let's see if I can log in. So by default, it would have let me log in over here, but it is showing me the password has been changed or user has been changed. Let's see. I can view my password from this place. So username admin, password this is this long something. Let me just copy and paste. I have copied this one space. Let me remove that. There you go. And it shows me something is wrong. Now, either you can click here or you can go here and email yourself a copy of login credential, or you can reset your password from this place. This will take some time, but once this is done, you can simply copy your password and just type username admin and place your password. Make sure you don't have any spaces. I always keep one space, so let me remove and log in. Voila, I can log in here. So this one is new Xandu, which has a Creator Studio. Let me give you a small introduction for Creator Studio. This will be a game changer for scoped application. Basically, you can describe what is the business requirement, and this will generate a basic app for you, the tables, role, and everything. We'll create a different video for this, so stay tuned with us. Here's your profile. Here's the place where we can switch our applications, and this is the other place where we can switch our update set where we work, and it show up here. Now let me suggest you to have SN plugin. This will help a lot of developers to save time, and while working we can navigate through the modules. And so there you have it, your dev instance. Let's crack some egg. Thank you for watching with us.